If you cannot see incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy A37, if they don't want to display over here on your screen when someone calls you, then in that case the first thing that you can do is you can check if we have the DND mode activated. So in order to check that, you can just simply go to the quick settings panel or the control center, and then usually in here in this expandable area we can find do not disturb. So of course you want to make sure that it is not enabled. If it is, then you can just tap on it to turn it off, and also you might want to go to the settings of DND mode in order to find out if there's like some sort of a schedule that is created, so that of course you can prevent the DND mode from being automatically re-enabled, unless of course you want it to happen. But besides that, if the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then another thing that you can do is you can go to the phone app. Then over here we're gonna tap on the three dots that we have here on the right side or in the upper right corner, and then you want to go to settings. Now, once we open call settings, then in here we should be able to find call display while using apps, and by default we use the small pop-up option. You might want to switch to full screen to make sure that it always displays, that the incoming call is going to be always displayed when someone calls you. And besides that, another thing that you can do to try to solve this issue, if you still have it, if you still experience it, you can go to settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down in here and you want to go to apps. Now once you open apps, we want to tap on this icon here on the right side, so we have these three lines with half an arrow, and you want to show system apps in here and press OK. Now we're gonna use this search option in the upper right corner, and first we're gonna type phone. There we go. Now in here we're gonna go to the phone app. We want to force stop it. You can also go to notifications in order to make sure that they are allowed. You can also make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled as well. And besides that, you want to open permissions, and you want to make sure that at least these permissions are granted for the phone app. So make sure that you have exactly the same permissions in here. In case you have a difference in here, if there's something different that is, you can tap on the permission and you can change that. Of course, if you have more than these permissions, then that's fine, but these should be allowed. Besides that, we can also go to the storage option, and then in here you want to clear data and confirm your choice. Besides that, we're gonna go back to the list of apps. There we go. In here we're gonna once again type phone. This time we want to open phone and messaging storage. And in here you want to go to the storage. If you can, clear data, if not, clear cache. And this is what you are going to do with every single app that I'm going to show from now on. So you want to clear data or cache for these apps. So then we're going to go to the phone calls and do exactly the same thing. So open storage, and then you can clear data or clear cache if you cannot clear data. Then we're going to go to phone services. Over here we're going to open storage, and we want to clear data. There we go. We're gonna go back, of course, and that should be all. Now we're gonna switch from phone to call. There we go. And in here we can find the call app over here, which we want to clear as well. So we're gonna open the storage, and you want to clear data. All right. Then we have call services. We're gonna go over here as well, open the storage, and then you want to clear data or cache, of course. Then we have call settings. We're gonna go there as well, open the storage, clear data. And also we have call BG provider. We're gonna use that, open the storage, clear data, and there we go. And I believe that is pretty much all. I don't think there's more that we can find in here. Maybe we can also go to the smart call as well, since it is something like that available in here. So let's do that. Let's open the storage, and we're gonna clear data too. All right, so now I think we have gone through every app that we should have done. And yeah, now you should be able to see if it works. But before you do that, I also recommend you opening the phone app, since we closed it, we stopped it in the settings, so we can make sure that it is actually at least running in the background. So now you can wait for the call, you can see if it's going to be displayed, and hopefully it works. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.